Are you excited like me? Oh, I'm going to see as much as I can do. Just good morning and welcome to yet another episode of Yoga with Goga. Today it's a special. I'm just at home. I'm going to do my very first unboxing video. Thank you so much. This was a gift from one of you for my birthday, and I just want to say thank you so much. It is such a functional gift, and yeah, I was told not to name. They told me not to name them. Let me just say they're very close to me, and I just want to say I'm so grateful, and I just want to say thank you so much for this amazing gift. So without further ado, yep, let me get the gift. So here it is. I already unwrapped it. I already unwrapped it. It came wrapped this way. I know. Look at the detail. I like this kind of things. Very intricate, and it's very personal. It's very personal. Okay, so. Oh my goodness. The first time I unwrapped this, I was just like, how can somebody be this amazing? Woo! Woo! These are people like watch me on live stream every week, and they were like, Goga, I don't like your audio. You need to improve your audio. And then when they realized I'm not buying a mic, they were like, you know what? Your birthday is coming up. Your birthday came up, and this is what I'm going to get you. Look at this, guys. It's a professional condenser microphone. It's just a whole thing. It's so heavy. It's so heavy. It feels heavy. I have my table here. I'm going to place it up. Now is the top. Okay. So we open from here. Oh my goodness, this looks very good. And then so you open from here. Alright. Oh wow. So it's a whole thing. Look at this. 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 Wow. Now let me start I need to start getting rid of all these things so that I can put them on the table. Okay? Okay, okay, okay. Let me remove them, and then now we can place them, and then we see what goes where, and then now we start arranging. Alright. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. This is amazing. Are you excited like me? Oh! Hold on. It is done. So many moving parts, so many things to fix, but it is done. It is done. I've clamped it on the table. I've put the, what do you call this? I think it's like the voice, I don't know, it sieves. I think you can sing in this thing. You can start karaoke or something. And then I like how it moves. Just look at this. So if I'm not maybe focusing on the microphone at the moment, I could just bring it here, and then maybe when I'm speaking, it's there. But anyway, we'll figure it out. I'm yet to use this for my live stream, so I just want to see how it goes. It's a unidirectional mic, so I think there's sound from one end. And then I also have like we have this. It's like, what do they call it? They call it this live sound card. And you know, it's so weird because the microphone is connected here, and I can see it's like showing me you know, the range of my voice and all those kind of things. And I'm not even using the mic yet. Just imagine it on live streams. And then it has other interesting features, buttons that I'm yet to use, you know, just to be able to see what that feels like. Let me see. Oh, I need to like connect now to the power, so I need to connect this to the power. So I'm just going to get my USB, get a laptop, and just see what that looks like. I don't know, this is gonna be fun. This is gonna be fun. This is gonna be fun. I can't wait to start using this on live streams. But I have to figure it out. I'll figure it out. It uses a USB-C, amazing, which works in like literally every phone out there in the market. And then let me see whether I can connect it to my USB port on the laptop. Okay, and then let's see. Okay, so the power is connected, so the sound card is charging, it is on. You can adjust a few things here. Microphone, there's a volume, there's like treble, baritone, bass, echo if you want an echo or something like that. It has primal sounds. These are the things I'll just try and attempt them on a live stream, because I've not used this before. But I like how the mic looks when it's just here, or it could just be like hanging on there randomly. And then I'm going to see whether I can use my headphones just to hear what this sound feels like. So I'm just going to connect. Oh god, I'm using a USB. I need a proper earphones. Yeah, so I need to get another earphone. Hold on. Okay, got my USB, so I'm just going to connect it here. Let me say earphone. Okay. Let me see whether it works. Wow, it works. It works because I can hear like the sounds of this microphone. If it works. Yeah, this is so good. Yeah, so it's working. So I can see it's connected to the microphone. There are things here on these buttons on the sound card, like laughter. I can hear laughter on my microphone. Yell. There are cheers. I can't wait to try this on live stream, guys. This is so cool. Thank you so much. I really appreciate the amazing gift from an amazing supporter and subscriber. I don't want to say much because, you know, they told me I don't need to like mention their name. That's how cool they are. But I just want to say thank you so much for this amazing gift. It is going to like be radical for my live streams. And I just got, okay, this pitch now feels weird on my ears, because I've put some weird pitch and I can hear like my sound, which just sounds weird. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so guys, this is it. I've done my unboxing. Yeah, let's see how it works on the live stream. Okay, thank you so much for joining me. I will see you on the next one. Bye guys. Oh my goodness, this is good. Good. Okay, I'm out. Bye guys, take care of yourself and thank you so much. Namaste.